You know, we are all standing at a pretty major crossroads right now, and I think most of us don't even realize it. Today, we're going to dive into the AI financial revolution, and more importantly, the single biggest choice you're going to have to make. So welcome to NextGen Choices. Our whole thing here is that today's decisions really do shape tomorrow's winners. And listen, that is not just some catchy tagline. We are at this wild, pivotal moment where the tech you decide to use, or hey, the tech you decide to ignore, is going to fundamentally define your financial future. So let me ask you this. What if the biggest thing holding you back isn't a lack of money or talent or even luck, but one simple choice you are making right now? See, the rise of AI isn't just another tech headline. It is that fork in the road. It's handing you a fundamental choice about how you're going to build your wealth from this point forward. Okay, so let's get into it. The old rules, the ones for work, for investing, for creating wealth, they're being completely torn up and rewritten. And this isn't some sci-fi, far-off future stuff. AI is doing it as we speak. And it's putting a really clear choice in front of all of us. Do you stick with the traditional path, or do you embrace this new AI-powered way of doing things? And look, the promise of this new path isn't just about playing with cool new tech. It's about a very real, very tangible goal: financial freedom. And the method to get there? Well, it's all about using these new AI tools to build passive income streams. We're talking about money that shows up day in and day out with minimal effort from you to keep it going. So how do you even start down this road? Well, the good news is you're not going it alone. You've got this whole suite of incredibly powerful AI co-pilots ready to help you navigate. Just think of them as these specialized assistants, right? Each one has a totally unique skill set designed to help you make smarter financial moves. First up, you've got your conversational AI. This is the one most of us know and love, ChatGPT. Its main job, its whole purpose, is to create. It digs into this massive library of data it was trained on and generates brand new text or code or marketing ideas for you. It's basically your creative partner in crime. Next, you have the answer engine, and a great example of this is Perplexity. Now, its job is completely different. It doesn't just make stuff out from its internal memory. No, it goes out onto the live internet right now, finds the most up-to-date information, and then pulls it all together into a short, easy-to-read answer. And this is key. It always tells you exactly where it got its facts. It's your research partner. And finally, there's the Robo-Advisor. This isn't just a partner you chat with. This is an automated manager. It takes these super sophisticated investment strategies that used to be only for the ultra-wealthy, and it uses algorithms to manage your entire portfolio for you. It basically makes high-end investing accessible to, well, everyone. All right, so let's make this choice a little more real. We're going to put two of these co-pilots head-to-head. In one corner, you've got ChatGPT, the creator, and in the other, Perplexity, the researcher. Really understanding how these two are different is absolutely crucial for picking the right tool for the right job. And it all comes down to one fundamental difference in how they're built. ChatGPT is what you'd call generation first. It's designed from the ground up to create original content from its own massive library of knowledge. Perplexity, on the other hand, is retrieval first. It's built to go find information out on the live web and then synthesize it for you. To put it really simply, one creates, the other finds. And you can totally see how that core difference shows up in their features. For ChatGPT, searching the web is kind of like an optional add-on. Its main gig is still to create. But for Perplexity, searching the web is its default setting. And citations, those little source links, are always included. And that's not just a feature, you guys. That's a philosophical difference. It makes Perplexity an absolute powerhouse for verification. So who's the winner? Well, it depends on the game you're playing. For any task that involves creation or analysis of stuff you already have, the clear winner is ChatGPT. If you're writing an article, debugging code, or analyzing a spreadsheet, this is your go-to co-pilot. It's built to be a creative partner. But the second your goal becomes research and verification, the crown goes to Perplexity, hands down. Anytime you need current, factual information from the real world with sources to prove it, Perplexity's design makes it the far superior choice. It's a tool built for truth, not just for creativity. So this brings us to this really fascinating next step in the evolution. We've been talking about AI as a co-pilot, right? A tool that you actively use. But what happens when that co-pilot gets a promotion and becomes an autonomous agent, managing your finances for you, even while you sleep? And this is where that idea of accessibility really hits home. The average human financial advisor, they might require a minimum investment of around $50,000. But for a lot of these robo-advisors, that minimum is just $500. I mean, think about that. This isn't just a small change. It is the complete democratization of professional wealth management. Now, the power of these AI agents goes way beyond just picking the right stocks. One of the most powerful autopilot features they offer is something that actively works to lower your tax bill. It's a strategy called tax loss harvesting. Okay, let's break this down because it sounds way more complicated than it is. First, the AI algorithm is constantly watching your investments for anything that's dropped in value. Second, it strategically sells that losing asset to create a real capital loss, which can be a tax deduction for you. And third, and this part is absolutely crucial, it immediately reinvests that cash into a very similar fund to keep your money in the market. It does all this while automatically following all these complex tax rules so you don't have to. So we've looked at the tools, we've looked at the automated agents. This brings us to the final and honestly the most important part. The choice here isn't just about what app you should download. It's about adopting a whole new mindset for how wealth is going to be built in the decades to come. And this tech is only getting smarter. New research is giving us a peek at what's next, and it's wild. Imagine not just one AI, but a whole team of AIs managing your money. You've got one agent that is programmed to be aggressive, to maximize returns at all costs. Then you have another agent whose only job is to be cautious and minimize risk. And by working together, they create a portfolio that is constantly adapting in real time, perfectly balancing growth and safety. So here's the bottom line. The future of finance isn't coming, it is already here. The tools are available, the strategies are automated, and the price of admission has literally never been lower. So the only real question left is the one we started with. What choice will you make? Are you going to be a spectator, just watching from the sidelines? Or are you going to be an active participant in this revolution? Thanks for hanging out. If you want to keep making the right next-gen choices, you know what to do. Make sure to subscribe. Because if there's one thing we know for sure, it's that the future always rewards those who choose early.